In the world of thrill and adventure, there's nothing quite like the exhilarating experience of a solo motorcycle camping trip. It's just you, your bike, and the open road, with the promise of stunning landscapes and exciting new experiences around every bend. But before you rev your engine and hit the road, there's a checklist of essentials you'll need to make your adventure a memorable one. First and foremost, a reliable toolkit is a must-have for any motorcycle adventurer. This should include wrenches, pliers, a tire repair kit, and a versatile multi-tool. As the saying goes, it's better to have it and not need it, than need it and not have it. Next, let's tackle storage. Panniers, saddlebags, and potentially a top case will be your best bet for storing all your gear. Look for options that are waterproof, durable, and secure. A camping tent is your third essential. It'll be your home away from home, so ensure it's lightweight, easy to set up, and comfortable. Pair it with a compact sleeping bag that's suited for the weather conditions you'll be encountering. And of course, what's camping without a little outdoor cooking? A portable stove, mess kit, and easy-to-prepare meals will keep you nourished and satisfied under the stars. Now let's not forget your riding gear. Safety is paramount, so a sturdy helmet, armored jacket, gloves, and proper riding boots are non-negotiable. And there you have it, the ultimate checklist for a solo motorcycle camping trip. But remember, always check local regulations, weather forecasts, and plan your route ahead of time. To recap, a reliable toolkit, suitable storage options, a comfortable camping tent, cooking essentials, and proper riding gear are your key ingredients for an unforgettable solo motorcycle camping adventure. Remember to stay safe, plan ahead, and most importantly, enjoy the ride. That's all for now, but don't forget to hit that like button if you're as excited as we are about this thrilling adventure. And of course, subscribe for more captivating content. Until next time, keep the spirit of adventure alive. Safe travels.